The Uganda National Examinations Board, UNEB, is pleased to present to you, Honorable Minister,
omukorogo gwakorerwa omumaka gwa President omuli Nakasero.
I'll report on the registration of the candidates, a total of 832,654 candidates from 14,691 centers registered for this examination.
Permit me to thank our fountain of honor, His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for the vision of having universal primary education for all our children. Because of the UPE, which started in 1997, the literacy rate has improved significantly from 43%.
I congratulate the candidates who have performed well and wish them the very best in future.
Abumwaka ogwire abeji emitwaro 11,617 bizira mu division yokubanza, emitwaro 35 kashanju 99 bizira mu division ya kabiri, emitwaro 14,605 bizira mu division ya kashatu, emitwaro 9,15 rushanju 2 bizira mu division ya kana, kandi emitwaro 9 kashanju 19 aba bagwire.
I have noticed from the statement of results that the rate of absenteeism of learners who had initially registered for the PLE and which has been steadily declining in the last 4 years has also increased again by 0.8%.
Janet Katam7 nasha mashomero obutongeza fiizi abumwaka ogu 2023.
I'd like to remind all our teaching staff now that these young people look up to them and replicate what you model before them. We must therefore demonstrate utmost discipline when fulfilling our roles and functions. As you have already seen here,
Twazo Nakasero, Vice Chairperson abw'ekibiina kya NRM kandi niwe Chairman w'entebe ya kashatu AGACENCWIRE Central Division omushubuzi Ranganwa ogwo wakitamira ebizamu omwaka ogwire yihayo obubonero 9. Ogu amakuru gamushanga office ye kanyanya kutekereza abwaki yashaziremo okukitamira ebizamu ebi obwo ari nkokwari.
Nanga bakiri hasi yanje kwiga tigushira. Iyi saha igeze nangwa Uganda igeze nangwa Africa igeze, ni competition yo kwiga. Kubyina mugarukire mu prema nangwa mfite kwa ndikumije imbere. So imani ifashije umuremyi wanje ni imana. Kwiga ndacakwifuza mpaka last.
Awa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon na Kate atuzarirwe.